What's up, guys? It's Tech Khalifa. On the 31st of August 2020 at 2 o'clock p.m. I got my Facebook account accessed by another device, by another unknown device, and my password got changed. Automatically, I was hacked. That very day, I plugged my phone since morning, and I got it around at night around 9 p.m. So I started using it, and I was unable to access my Facebook account. And immediately, I got a pop-up notification from Facebook INC that my account was accessed by an unknown device in another state at 2 p.m. in the day, and that my password was changed. I never thought Facebook could be hacked, but it was a lie. I input my old password, it failed. I still couldn't access it, but I did not log in my account on any other phone except mine. No one knows my password. But how on earth could Facebook hash code be hacked before accessing and changing my password? That was the biggest question. So today I'm going to show you how it was hacked and how I unhacked it in few minutes. So stay tuned and let's get started. And I want you guys to know that if any one of you watching this video, if your account has been hacked before, today you'll see the step to unhack your Facebook account. Let's get started. So guys, as an example, I got a Facebook account on this very phone. So here is the victim's phone, and as you can see, let's try to log in on that Facebook app. So as you can see, so let's get back. Here is my Facebook application, and I have this Facebook account on this phone as the victim here, and someone is trying to hack me. So what's going to happen is that I'm going to pretend to be the hacker here on this other phone also. So here is the other phone, here is the hacker's phone. So on this hacker's phone, we'll try to log in using this guy's Facebook app here. So we're going to log in this guy's Facebook account here. So let's try to using so they use something like social engineering or any other stuff to log in the Facebook account. So maybe I know this guy and I want to hack him, or I don't know him. Maybe I first of all try his phone number. I'll enter his phone number. Maybe, so as you can see, I've gotten his phone number, and what I have to do next is simply to enter the password. So maybe through social engineering or any way the hacker could try to break the application, to break the password and get the password. So once the hacker has gotten the password, you just log in the whole stuff here. So let's assume I get back here, and at the end of the day, someone tries to log in. Maybe try for let's try to log in. Maybe try something like, try to log in. As you can see, guys, they have told me the password was incorrect. So maybe I'll try with another password again. They will tell me that the password is still incorrect. So as you can see, the password you have entered is incorrect. So if one of the ways the hacker could try to break the password to enter into it. So let's assume we have gotten the password. So let's try to log in on this other phone here. So this is another device, and the hacker has gotten our account finally. So I've gotten the account. I'll click on not now. So the hacker has finally gotten our account, and at the end of the day, what he has to do is simply to go to the settings and change the password. So as you can see, guys, they have given me a notification. They gave me a notification that IP33 plus logged in my account. So that's this phone, and now it's not me that logged in. Let's assume I'm not the one that logged in. So what I do to do is simply to secure your account. But before then, let's try to change the password. So we're here to change the password of this very account. So as you can see, guys, I'm gonna change the password of this guy over here. So let's change the password of this very account here. So as you can see, guys, on this notification, you can see password changed. So as you can see, let's try to log in on using this very phone. This is my own phone, so I won't be able to log in because my password has been changed. Let's get back and try to use the application. Maybe someone gonna log me out using this very phone also. So let's check the device here. So automatically I'm logged in here, and they're gonna log me out. So on my phone here, they're going to log me out at the end of the day. You can see. So I'm logged out. I won't be able to access my Facebook account using this very phone again. So let's try it again. As you can see, I won't be able to access it because they have logged me out. And once they log you out, you find it something like this, and at the end of the day you think you have been hacked. So let's click on it, and they're asking for my password. So I have to enter my old password, which I thought it was my own password, and at the end of the day I won't be able to access it. So as you can see, guys, let's try to log in. You can see, look at what happened. They have logged me out automatically because I cannot log in. So let's try to input my phone number at the end of the day, then we'll try to log in. So as you can see, guys, let's try to log in again. So you can see what happened. The password I've entered is incorrect. So automatically the hacker have killed my account. So what I have to do is simply to solve this whole problem. What I have to do is simply to clear this phone number. Here is the solution for you to get to your hacked account. So clear this phone number. Guys, I'm going to show you the step to fight with us hackers to get your phone number back and your password at the end of the day. So make sure to just log out of all applications, log out of all the sessions in your phone, and make sure to click on forgot password. Make sure you don't input any phone number and any password. So click on forgot password, and at the end of the day you have to type in your phone number. So as you can see here is my phone number. So let's click on search. So once the search is complete, you can see I have some account on this phone, and you can see my hacked account, La Casa Papel. So as you can see, get a code to reset your password because I've been hacked. So what I need to do is simply to enter. If you say you want to enter the password to log in, at the end of the day you won't be able to do. So we have to click on continue. So make sure this is your phone number. Make sure that is your phone number over here, and make sure to enter a Facebook code that is going to be sent to you. So they have sent me the code. As you can see, they sent me the code. And so I need to input another password. I need to input another strong password that the hacker cannot get to know. So let's try to input the password. So as you can see, I've input a new password, a very strong password at the end of the day. So if you want to log out of the hacker's phone, you have to click on this mark over here. But if you don't want to log out from the hacker's phone and you want to know who the hacker is, just make sure to leave the mark. But I advise you to click on the mark here, but we still need to get the hacker. So let's make sure to turn it off. Then let's change password. They're asking me to choose a more secure password, so I have to input another password. So as you can see, I have another secure password now. So I'll have to click on change password. As you can see, I got my account back. So for us to know who the hacker is, we have to click on this dot, this three parallel line at the top. You have to go to your settings. They have to go to security settings, security and login. So in the security and login option, what you have to do is simply to go down, then click. You can see where you are logged in. So make sure to click on see more, and you know how many accounts are logged at that time. So these are the phones, like this Chrome in Abuja here now is one of the applications that logged in my Facebook account. And you can see ITEL Peter 3 is one of the phone that logged in. So here is the hacker's phone, is the ITEL Peter 3, and here is ITEL A56, and here is my own phone at the moment. So what I have to do is simply to log out the hacker here. So let's try to refresh in the hacker's phone. So as you can see, this guy is present here. So I need to click on this to log them out. So you can see, so I'm not the one that actually did this. So the hacker logged me out. So and now I've gotten my password. So I have to click on log out to log the guy out. So whenever I try to input my account on his phone, he won't be able to access it again because I've changed my password. So I'll still have to click on the other one here, the Chrome, and log them out all. So I've logged out of all session except this very one. So I'm active now at this moment. So let's try to refresh on this, and I won't be able to access it. The hacker won't be able to access my Facebook account on his phone again. So let's try to refresh it. You can see, so in La Casa Papel here, let's try to get it. They'll be asking for password, and maybe he tried to enter his fake password. At the end of the day, he won't be able to access it. You can see incorrect password. Even though he tries to use the forgot password option, he won't be able to access it because he has not my phone number. He don't have my phone number. So my phone number is the one here over here. And at the end of the day, whenever he tries to get the code using my phone number, the code will come to my phone, and he won't be able to access it. So there's no way he can actually access my account without the password. So now we have logged the hacker out. So we fought with them and we won. At the end of the day, let's try to get back to the account settings. So you are finally getting your account. So if you want to get your hacked Facebook account, so this is a very great step for you. And make sure to scroll down for more security option for you to secure your account more and more. Make sure to go to somewhere like use two-factor authentication. So make sure to click on it. At the end of the day, you can use two-factor authentication. You can use text message factor authentication, whereby for another person to be able to log in your account on his phone, they're going to send you a short code, whereby you input that code before you can access the account. If not, you won't be able to access the account. So this one is very dangerous in the sense that whenever your SIM card is being stolen, they can actually access your account because they'll get the SMS on that very phone. But now this one is recommended by Facebook. So Authentication app, you need to get the Authenticator app, like the Google Authenticator app or the Duo mobile, to generate your authentication code. So whenever you try to log in, or any other person tries to log in on his own phone, at the end of the day they'll ask him for that authentication code, and whenever you can provide it for them, they will log him out. They won't even allow him to log in. So let's try to use Authentication app. So with this now, this is the code that you need to scan using the Authentication app. So if you want to, you have to go to the Google Play Store and download an Authenticator, Google Authenticator, and the Google Authenticator app is there on the Google Play Store. So let's try to get it. So the link to the app will be in the description below. So let's search for Google Authenticator. So Google Authenticator is one of the best, and really the best. So Google Authenticator. So make sure to get this application, install it, and once you install it, it will actually protect your account from hackers. So by giving you the code as I've explained earlier. So you have to go back to the Google Authentication app, is over here. So install it. The link to it will be in the description. And as you can see, stronger security with Google Authenticator. So get verification codes for all your accounts using two-step verification. So get started. So this Google Authenticator can actually, help secure your Facebook account, your Google account, your WhatsApp account, and any other account at all. So let's get started. If it is on the phone here, you wanna this authentication stuff. So using Authentication app. So if it's on another phone, you can actually scan the barcode here. The barcode will show up here, so you have to scan it. But if it's on this phone, you have to click on set up on the same phone. So you have to click on it. And here is my Google Authenticator, so it show up stronger security with Google Authenticator. So get started. And you have to enter the setup key. And what is the setup key there? So you have to go back to Facebook and get the setup key. So make sure to get the setup key down here. So copy this key down here. You have to enter the setup key in the application of the Authenticator app. So let's try to get it and write it in the Authenticator app. The Authenticator code here, so I have to copy it. And let's get back to the Authenticator app. So in the Authentication app now, you have to input the name of your account. So I'll input the name of my account. And the key code here, so I have to paste it. And you can add time based, so you have to, this one is the best, so you need to give it a time based because it will go according to your time. Then you have to click on add. So here you have to save the key for La Casa Papel. Here is my account, so I click on OK. And La Casa Papel here is the account. So whenever anybody tries to log in my account in another phone, this very code will need to be there. So whenever he tries to log in on another phone, you have to bring this code after my password. If not, you won't be allowed to log in. And at the end of the day, this code, what is good about it is that it changes around every 10 seconds or 8 seconds. So it changes. So it's gonna change. It's gonna change. It has changed. So if the hacker cannot get using this code, the code will change after some seconds. At the end of the day, you won't be able to access it. So it's a very secure way to secure account. So guys, don't get your account hacked by all those foolish hackers. If you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. For more tech videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out. Alright guys, that's all for the video. Protect your absence and presence on the internet because it's actually paramount for your well-being. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a huge thumbs up. For more tech videos, subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.